Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is packed with cleaner motivation to help you tackle your to-do list and clean along with me today. Do go ahead and subscribe and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it.
I could be running around chasing you, but I won't, 'cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious.
So I always try and make my bed first thing in the morning because it just sets me up for the rest of the day. So I'm going to go ahead and do that before we move through into the bathroom. The ensuite and the bathroom is definitely two of the rooms that I need to try and keep on top of. So I try and do those daily, just giving them a quick wipe over, nothing too extreme. I don't give them a deep clean every day or anything like that, but I do go in and wipe them down and just make sure that they are nice and fresh. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that before we can move downstairs and tackle the rest of the house.
In the beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slammed the door, I would be the richest girl alive. And you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. I found your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe, but who didn't win this? It's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say you didn't.
So I wasn't actually going to do the shower today, but you know what I'm like, when I start cleaning I can't seem to stop. But I decided to use the Cif cream in the shower today. I normally go ahead and use the white vinegar spray and washing up liquid, but I'm going to save that for days where I do more of a deep clean, because this Cif cream works so well. It leaves the whole room smelling amazing, and it's a lot quicker as well because I don't have to make up the mix. So on days when I'm just going to give it a quick clean, I think I'm just going to go over with the Cif cream and then leave the white vinegar spray and the washing up liquid for days I give it more of a deep clean. But if you just want something to quickly wipe over any shower doors or screens or anything, I definitely recommend the Cif cream. It works wonders and it smells beautiful.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why?
So once I had upstairs finished, it was time to do the rest of the house, and I'm starting off in the front room today. So when the kitchen's finished, I can just make a nice cup of tea, and the living room's already done for me to just sit down and relax. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything back where it belongs, sorting out all the rubbish, sorting out the cushions and blankets, and just making it look a little bit less dishevelled because it just looks a little bit of a mess right now. And then I'm going to go in and give it a nice dust and a hoover and just make it nice and cozy.
Me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me sorry you have changed now. But it's the same old story. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but have to get over you again. Have to get over you. I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again.
So it's now time to move on to the kitchen, and the kitchen is actually my favourite room to do, and I think it's just because it looks so different once it's done, and it's always the messiest, dirtiest room in the house, so it does need doing every day, but once it's done it just feels so good. It's like a weight's been lifted, and I think it's the feeling that I get once it's done that makes me enjoy doing it so much, because I look forward to having that feeling. So I'm just going to go around and tidy it all up, do the washing up, and just make it nice and fresh.
The ocean breeze on my face, wanted to go as far as we ever could. So many years have passed, but even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. If I throw a coin down a wishing well, I wish I could feel it again, the way that I felt for you then. I know you think of it too. They count on down and we ended up sleeping at the worst motel somewhere. We had rashes for days. Do you remember that? In spite of everything that we lacked, nothing compares to the freedom we had. I would do it again if you say the word. So many.
So even though I do really like this kitchen, the one downside to it is that it's quite dark. Whenever it's gloomy outside, it gets really dark in the kitchen, and it just makes filming 10 times more difficult. So I can't wait for the summer. I just get really excited at the thought of filming videos in the summer, just because it will be so bright and airy, and I can't wait for the sun to just be shining through all the time, instead of having to try and get my sort of 2 to 3 hour window of running into the kitchen and quickly filming while the sun's there. So I am really looking forward to the summer. Let me know down in the comments what season you're looking forward to, or if your favourite season is actually winter. I would love to know.
All of the things we went through. 'Cause even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. If I throw a coin down a wishing well,
So it's now time to do the sink, and like I said at the beginning of this video, I love the Cif cream, so I'm going to go in using my Cif cream on the sink and then go over it with the white vinegar spray just to buff it up and make it nice and shiny. Even though the Cif cream does leave it really shiny, I think I'm just in the habit now of using the white vinegar spray as well. But I do like going over it with a dry microfiber cloth because for some reason I don't like having a wet sink once I've finished cleaning it, and I don't know if that's just me, I don't know if it's normal or if I'm a little bit weird, but I think the sink has to be dry and shiny for it to look finished. I don't know if I'm just a little bit of a weirdo, but I like going over it with a dry microfiber cloth at the end. I just think it really buffs it up and leaves it nice and shiny.
Me, I'll be pleased. I ain't gonna let it get to me. I will keep it straight, won't make a scene, keep it clean. So just tell me where this goes. Now can
So next up on my to-do list is to wipe down all of the cabinets, the cupboards and drawers and everything, and just make it nice and fresh and clean, make sure it's all nicely disinfected. So I'm going to go ahead and fill the sink with Zaflora and hot water so I can use that diluted water on everything. And I'm using the mandarin and lime scent because you know how much I love the smell of oranges. The citrus in the kitchen just smells so beautiful, and I've already done the countertops with the flash in the mandarin scent, so all the scents are the same, so it's just smelling super citrusy and it's so fresh. So I'm just going to go around everything, giving it a good wipe over and just getting it nice and fresh for the day.
don't be wasting my time. You'll be crossing the line. I'll be on my way like a thief in the night, like a thief in the night. I'll be out of sight. Now can you tell me if we're just killing time? Just tell me what you're thinking of. Don't feel right. It's like I wanna stick.
I really hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope it's given you all the motivation that you came looking for today. If it has, do go ahead and leave it a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to my channel for lots more cleaning motivation. Every Monday through to Friday I do lots of decluttering, organising and cleaning content here on this channel, and I would love for you to be a part of it. So do go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you back here in the next one.